the original petitioner, Irappa, in WP 569/2021, dated 12/12/2020, to the police alleging that few persons had come to near property in question and tried to demolish the compound wall. In this regard, we submit that the Office of BBMP, Executive Engineer, Road Infrastructure BBMP, also filed complaint on 12/12/2020, alleging that when they had intended to form a road from Whitefield Main Road to Nagagonahalli via Vijayanagara Road, some people obstructed. You come outside, we'll see. Some people obstructed to the same. As such, the said officials of BBMP filed complaint. The said work was done near the property in question. As such, the BBMP officials, in the process of road widening, appears to have done some work over the property in question. After receiving the said complaint from the concerned BBMP officials, it was entrusted that no law and order situated arises in the area, and all concerned parties were called to the station and informed to agitate their rights in accordance with law. The copy of the complaint issued to the BBMP as per Annexure C, Annexure R1 and R2. The bear is bear control. The hard to get it. 620. Annexure R2 in NCR number 620/2020. To stop, it is further stated that since the multiple litigations regarding identification property arose in respect of the aforesaid case, that instruct is conducted detailed inquiry of all the litigations between the parties and filed detailed report to the Tahsildar, Bengaluru East Taluk, to initiate one part of proceeding CRPC, dated 22/3/2021, to entitle the police personnel to identify the lands in question in order to give police protection to the stakeholder as per Annexure 3. What happened before Tahsildar? One part by proceedings. Nothing. It is further stated that since the matter arises out of multiple incidents, similar incidents endorsements were issued to the complaint as per the endorsement dated 6/2021 and 17/2/2021. None of the police officials have any personal interest in this case, and none of the police officials have acted access to the police powers. Police personnel have only tried to stop untoward incident happening near the property in question, and have only tried to protect the law and order situation near the property in question. The opposite two NCRs have been issued in the course of discharging their regular duties by the concerned officials, and the said fact issues NCR is the bona fide act, and same is issued while discharging official duty, believing that is said the NCR to be correct and proper, and the police personnel have not acted in high-handed manner, and only intention of the police personnel was to protect the law and order near situation near the property in question. Therefore, he submits that the proceedings may be dropped. Next part. In view of the aforesaid affidavit filed by the officer concerned, it is relevant to state at this stage that the original complaint has filed OS 24/2000 for declaration of title against the state government, which came to decree on 27/1/2001. Agreed with said order, state filed appeal RA 83/2001, which came to be dismissed on 16/9/2006 and RSA 156/2007 filed by the state also dismissed on 13/6/2008 against the concurrent finding of fact recorded by this court in RSA 156/2007, the state government prepared SLP 295/2008 before the Honorable Supreme Court, also dismissed on 16/12/2008, declaring the present complaint is the absolute owner property in question. Pushed up. Based on the opposite decree, the complainant was forced to file writ petition before this court in WP 569/2021 to direct the respondents 1 to 4, that is state government, Department of Home, Vidhan Saudha, Police Commissioner of Police, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Police Inspector, Whitefield, Police Station, Whitefield, to provide police protection to the petitioner in respect of the scheduled property, considering Annexure A, B, and C. Dated 9/6/2018, 18/7/2018, and 12/12/2020. Post up. The learned single judge of this court, after hearing the learned government advocate for the respondents, and counsel for the petitioners, who submitted that representations that is the petitioner is owner of the petition scheduled property, obtained decree in his favor and made representation. Annexure A, B, C. He would be satisfied if a direction issued to the Assam Police to consider Annexure C as per decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Lalit Kumari versus Government of Uttar Pradesh and others, and accord national protection. First of the learned single judge, in the light of the submissions made by learned government advocate and learned counsel for petitioner, it disposed of writ petition directing the respondents, that is state government, Commissioner of Police, Assistant Commissioner, and Police Inspector, Whitefield, Police Station, Whitefield, to consider Annexure C dated 12/12/2020 to take action in accordance with the law laid down in the Lalit Kumari's case and accord necessary protection required in aid of the civil court decree. First up, very strangely, the concerned police inspector issued Annexure C the endorsement dated 6/3/2021 in NCR 166/2021. Though referring the survey number 42, 3 acres, and as per the order of the court, the name of the complaint was shown in the Pani and Kata, and without his permission, and in spite of court order, Jayalakshmamma and Purnama, they are interfering. Accordingly, the answer is one. The endorsement. But the police has not registered the case. But very strangely, the affidavit is filed before this court that some BBM officer lodged a complaint on 11/12/2020, even before the order passed with a single judge. On 12/1/2021, and thereby he has given NCR as per Annex 2 NCRs, as per Annex R2. And the endorsement on 22/3/2021. To stop the endorsement, the NCRs issued on the basis of the complaint made by the BBMP, and the NCR issued as per Annex C in the present contempt petition is on the basis of the order passed on a single judge. To stop, thereby it clearly indicates that instead of considering the order passed by the decree passed by the court, the previous inspector Shanta Rama, working for the Whitefield, also issued endorsement on 23/8/2022 that the dispute in respect survey of 42 acres is NCR number 166 is in civil nature. One ನಿಮಿಷ sir, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರಿ sir, Mr. has clarified that NCR 160/2021 issued on 6/3/2021 to the complainant is in the nature of civil dispute. First up, thereby, in spite of the decree passed by the trial court, affirmed by this court and reaffirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court, still the authorities taking advantage of some other complaint by the BBMP subsequent to the order passed by the single judge proceeded NCR without protecting the rights of the parties in the aid of the decree as directed by the single judge. Thereby, the complainant has made out a case to put case to claim the charge against the accused persons. Next para. You are Barakeli. Yaro. ಹೌದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ NCR C ನ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Annex C ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಅಫೇರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು Annex C. Clarify. Unfortunate, we have to satisfy you. That is the problem. Please come to Annex C. Page 23. NCR 166/2021 ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಪೇಜ್ 17 ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. Annex R2. This is dated 23/8/2022. He says NCR ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 42 3 acres ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನೀಡಿದ ದೂರನ್ನು ಅರ್ಜಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಠಾಣಾ NCR 166/21 ದಾಖಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರ ದೂರು ಅರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ತಿ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿರುವುದು ಕಂಡು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸ್ವರೂಪವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. He clarified this is civil nature. ಏನಪ್ಪ sir, this is the affidavit filed by Shantaram sir. We have NCR endorsement along with the affidavit filed by Shantaram. ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಿಜ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. Yes. Is now case registered? Annexure registered by whom? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ 2 ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರ. ಅವರ ಅಪ್ರಾಣ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಅಪ್ರೂವಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ರೂವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. 22 ನಾರಾಯಣ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಇದೆ. Where is that? Underdone? Where are registered, sir? Telecast register ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಇದು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ. Contempt filed 2020-21. Now you have filed a 17/11/2022. ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ? ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಸಿ ದಿಕ್ಕೇಜ್ ನೋಡಿ. This is also escapism, sir. ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ BBMP ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಗಳು ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. BBMP ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? Is nothing to do with the present contempt. Sir, now Manmohan ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ third part rate ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. You want to implement BBMP? I'm sorry. ಬನ್ನಿ. Ticket to the charge again the accused person. ಬರಕೇಳಿ in charge now. ಯಾರೇ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ. Who violated Mr. Will frame charge against Shantaram and Girish. Against unknown persons. Complaint al bere ide. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಮ? No. ಇದು ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ? On what basis? This FIR registered on what basis? Now we are annexed ನೋಡಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. BBMP ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Come to Annex C, Mr. Page 23, Annex C.
That is not Annex C. How present Annex C? But what they registered is Annex C in the Mediation. That is not in page 104.
12/12/2020.
That is immaterial for us. All right. Yes, sir. Welcome, you claim the charge. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬರಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್. Let him come. Please come. We'll claim the charge. ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Unfortunate, Mr. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, you want to delete other persons, you want to retain? ಏನು ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. You don't know. Yes, sir. ಯಾರನ್ನ? How Kamal Pant is concerned here? Then why you have implicated unnecessary? Sir, who violated only that person the contempt? Why Kamal Pant? Delete. What is Shantamallappa stand coming? How he is concerned? How State of Karnataka Home Department is concerned? Learned Counsel for the complaint filed memo for deletion of accused number 1, 2, and 4. who was a pro forma accused, not necessary. Only the accused now before the court is Shantaram, police inspector, Whitefield Police Station, Whitefield, Bengaluru 26, and Sri Girish, BP, police inspector, work at Whitefield Police Station, Whitefield, Bengaluru 66. Yes. Next week, to frame the charge, Advocate or Advocate General against the accused next week. For their duty to implement the decrees. To solve the problem, they can call both the people, solve the problem. Problem is, they are conducting 40% cases of the litigation and 60% new Martha, including Manmohan. Yes. Bani, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಿವಸ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ಟೈಮು ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes. Mr. Girish, to do your job properly, what you are inviting. Do your job only in accounts reply. You can't mix up. Yes. ಅವರು ಹೊಸ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾ. Another government advocate. What is the violation? Learned government advocate and take to file power for the accused and 2 weeks time before vacation, after vacation, before vacation. ಅದೇನ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏಷ್ಯಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Six 2 weeks time to comply the order. Submission plus on record, call next week. 2 weeks. Suresh. What is the violation?
Consider the representation. Informants from the date of.
Yes, Mr. Government Advocate. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಅಲ್ಲ, for control, learned counsel response submits. The reasonable time is given. Response will consider fast answer. What is this? Learned government advocate on taking notice to the accused submits within a week will comply the order passed by learned single judge. Submission place on the call next week. Failing which the accused shall be present before this court. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. No. Yes, sir. That you obtain consent from the Advocate General. Annexure. Why you make volumes to get more fee? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಕು. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಕು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ದಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ ದಪ್ಪವಾಗಿ. We are under the impression ಎಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಆದಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಫೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Yes, volume. Sorry, ಯಾವ್ದು volume two ಅಪ್ಪ. Page. Four 35. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಟು ಇದು ಎರಡೆರಡಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ R40 ಯಾವ ಸರಿ ಅವರೊಂದು ಎರಡು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರೋದು ನಾವೇನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ they want to show the power. ನೋಡಿಪ್ಪ. ಹೋದ್ರಿ
435.
This is 6th August 2018. Hello, this is this challenge. Laga. Yes. All right. Yes, Mr. Sachin.
Complaint of but history of started from here maybe trying to enforce my civil rights. And wherever I went.
No, Mr. Sachin, we're just asking you one question. There's no bar can fight your civil rights and depend cause of action. If already same property, same relief reach up to Supreme Court, fail to succeed,
Yes.
can you repeat again and again?
I only one document I will.
Come to 435. That is the prima facie finding, 435.
But that is not good. After the.
So, Bandri, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ 435 ಬನ್ನಿ. You don't want to assist the court. You don't want to assist, we'll record that and we'll proceed further. There have been several legal proceedings which has been initiated by the respondent. Some of which are in respect to same cause of action, though some of may not be. However, having regard to the fact that the respondent has filed repeated legal proceedings in respect to same cause of action, Contempt amounts to gross contempt as held by the Honorable Supreme Court and so on. So this is the prima facie finding. Ultimately, after inquiry, if you found all the proceedings you have filed are different cause of action, you will dismiss the contempt, criminal contempt.
Subsequent to
Mr. Sachin, prima facie, this is the finding of the Advocate General. You have not challenged that order. Now you have listed out all the things, you frame the charge. If ultimately inquiry make out a case, all different charges of the after examination, you may dismiss. Frame the charge.
in that regard, I intend to challenge this.
We, when Mr. Sachin, when the contempt petition filed 2018, we are 2022. This court can't wait anybody to go somewhere and get it. You should have challenged immediately. How can now you challenge, sir? We'll frame the charge, then we'll see. Mama. Is the finding?
One document I will be permitted.
What the?
Other action was a different. Kindly will not have, only one document will be. See that page number 380 of the statement of objection. But as I submitted.
What?
The hardship to kindly get the problem. Here 1981.
That has to be decided only after full-fledged trial. You have to cross-examine, you have to make out a case. Don't worry, ಈ cross-examine ಮಾಡಿ.
The same document, the same law of action field ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. And you committed only one line. Elder brothers is the you know that you have been after another matter. We have written the law changes the right.
You are reading where? Wait a minute, cross-examination. ಲೆಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Who go before the court, who whatever you want. That's it, letter correspondence ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Yes, sir. ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
But you
See, the first suit was filed by you, OS number 52 of 1995, which was dismissed. That was confirmed up to Supreme Court. And then
is also the contention below. I'm permitted to make this submission. But the contention that in the first original suit number 52, which my last refer, exhibit B4 and exhibit B16 are the letters written by the plaintiff himself, that is the accused,
yes,
stating that I have taken all the properties, I have taken my share, but I have the name illa.
then again you file another suit, another application under arbitration and conciliation.
That is with respect to the
Again the partnership deed.
Yes, partnership.
The entire suit for partition is also on the basis of the partition deed. Then after that you file another suit. AC number 25 of 1987. That also came to be
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
dismissed.
ಏನಾದ್ರು
So the third,
ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು.
so the entire case of you is on the basis of a partition deed which was executed by you in respect of you retired from the said partition deed. But partition and separate possession was sought on the basis of a partition deed. That the entire case, 3 round of litigation, 3 times. Suit confirmed up to Supreme Court. Second round, again that was confirmed up to Supreme Court, and the third one also was confirmed up to Supreme Court. That is how.
That is not. OS number 52, attaining finality. on the basis of exhibit D. Exhibit D for the letter of undertaking second have been written by plaintiff or the accused. But subsequently, after the dismissal of accepted by the honorable Supreme Court, see the
Mr.
correspondence.
Sachin, you have said so many things. It will go, it will take its own time. Evidence ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ತಕೋ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬರ್
He is before this court. Where is he actually? He doesn't seem to be 84 years.
That's what severe ailments. ಇವಾಗ first aid ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. lungs problem.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಈ ತರ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಅಂತಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ
ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು share
ನಿಮ್ ಶೇರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ 2 ಸಲ 3 ಸಲ ಫೋಟೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಂತ ಶೇರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಲಿಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲಿಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ನಾವೇನ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಡಿ 6 ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ do some advice to a client, settle the matter. Where is the complainant? What is the age of the complainant? Then you are married, a family holder, you have brothers, sisters, then you don't know reality in life. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ಮುದ್ದಾಡ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನ್ಯಾರೋ ನೀನ್ಯಾರೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾರ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಎವರಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ he wants all right, you want solve the problem, you want punish your brother. He's elder brother, younger brother. Whether he's younger brother and elder brother. Let him give undertaking, you will not commit which I will stop. Don't worry, they are ಕಾಮಧೇನು to all our professional people. ಕಾಮಧೇನು ಇಂಥವ್ರು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಬದುಕೋತೀವಿ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರೋ before the proceeding, take in consideration the relationship between the parties are the brothers. At the request, joint request, unquote, for both the parties, matter adjourned for settlement, amicable settlement, if any. Failing which, you have to proceed in accordance with law to establish dharma samstapana. Ramdas are there. We can call these two people, advise them, why this age? After illa andre ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅವರು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಧರ್ಮ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. All right, yes. Next week, Sachin, next week, advise him, do some settlement, go to the elder brother, go and just touch his feet, everything is over. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೀ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣ ಕಾಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಈಗೋ ರೀ ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈಗೋ ರೀ 80 ವರ್ಷ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಕಿವಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಈಗೋ ಈಗೋ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶ ಸೇವೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇವ್ರ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Let him argue, sir. We happy if juniors appear before us. So we can save some time. ಇವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹುಡುಗರಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಪ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ನೀವ್ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ನಾವ್ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಸೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಬ್ರು ಬೆಳಗೊಬ್ರು ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. 5 years student. Why should you ask question to my sister? Why should contemplating insert the imposed cost? Then we said youngster beda. Just dismiss. Yes. Yes, government advocate, what did you think about? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ವೈಲೇಷನ್. Learned government advocate submits on instructions that within 2 weeks the order will be complied. Submission based on record, call up to 2 weeks for compliance with order. For failing which, complaint order for nursing, failing which the accused person shall be present before this court. Yes, Vijaya. All right. 15:30. All right. At the joint request, both the parties for settlement between the parties, call on 15. Yes, Karuna, Sham. Yes,
My lord, I apologize, my lord, that additional affidavit was to be filed, my lord. I am not in, my lord, the station. My lords may kindly grant us 2 days accommodation, my lord. We will file the additional affidavit.
Yes, sir.
I have requested, my lord, the other side also, my lord. I am not in station, my lord. The additional affidavits are ready, my lord. I had to wait.
You are very much in station along with the books.
Illa, my lord. It's a virtual background, my lord. I am at Delhi.
Oh, you want to show us?
Illa, it's a virtual background, my lord. It's a virtual background.
See, latest Supreme Court judgment, the Honorable Supreme Court judgment,
My lord.
there is no need to official communication. Even knowledge is enough. Knowledge of order is sufficient to insert contempt.
Yes,
That
my
is the
lord.
judgment.
I bow down, my lord. I bow down, my lord. My lords may kindly allow us, my lord, 2 or 3 days time, my lord. We'll place the additional affidavits.
See, Sham Sundar, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the accused persons online through video conference. Online from Delhi, 6 times to file objection, additional affidavit in terms of the order passed by this court, dated 29/11/2022. Next week.
Next week, my lord.
All the accused persons are present before the court. Shall remain present next date of hearing. Yes. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಏನ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದೇನ್ರಿ ಅಜಿತ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಮರ್ಸಿ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಜಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮರ್ಸಿ ಬೇಡ. ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರೀ ಮನಮೋಹನ್ Learned Counsel for the accused submits there is a possibility of settlement between the parties and process is on. The same is not disputed with Learned Counsel for the complaint. Call after vacation. Settlement if any. Yes, but come on. Kadapa. Hey, the accused. No. Learned Advocate General, Learned Advocate General for the state permit that accused is not present since there was no specific date of appearance. Therefore, he seeks a specific date of appearance. The presence of accused before the court from charge. Thereby 6/12/2022 specific date quoted. Early accused.
There is order of appointment of that. Subsequently, the state has returned that order of challenge.
Wrong. In subsequently state has withdrawn that order. That become infructuous. One minute. We are not concerned temples. We are concerned only, sir, we don't want, we just go by the interim order. Interim order dated 12/12/2006, according to you, government had 6 time to get instructions. For this matter 18/12/2006. In the meanwhile, part of the director maintains status quo as on that date. What happened? As on that day, they have done something.
Before that, the executive officer was appointed.
Enna, yavaga?
Executive officer. But the order after before the meeting of
2006, 12/2006.
officer has taken charge. On 18/11/2006.
18/11.
2006.
Ah,
Subsequently, the order was withdrawn with retrospective effect.
which order?
Order of appointing the administrator to challenge in the record.
Administrator appointed what date? 17/11.
2006. Withdrawn, where government communicated. Subsequently, repetition of this has happened.
When?
Just on 8/3/2010. Subsequently, batch of interviews were filed. Interview number 1/2010.
Which one?
6/1/2010. I put in the order of the other. 6/1/2010. We tried a lot of
17/11. Now, what is the violation, sir? Yeah, no violation. No. What is the violation? When? Not 16th.
2008.
Ah,
Private party.
ಮೊದಲೇ ಆಮೇಲೆ
They do the private.
What happened? Handing over. Now the private, handing the private, Tran. None. Tran. Over. Yes, sir. How can you violate when the interim order operating against you on 12/12/16, 12/8/2008? How can you hand over the private property violation of the interim order? Only Nagaland has to say, pardon this, otherwise. Yes, Nagaland, the tender unconditional apology. To accept, retired people will leave, otherwise drag them and send them to Agra jail. Hello. You include all the parties are there?
All the parties are there, all of them. So I have a comment.
1 minute.
I have a comment that will take care of that.
1 to 5 up here.
Now they have retired, all of them are retired.
You take whatever you want. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಲು ಲಾರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. Learned government advocate on instruction submits that the accused persons who are there as on the date of the interim order passed by this court on 12/12/16, who violated the interim order on 12/8/2008, all retired now. Therefore, you want to see, you want a week's time to intimate them to engage their own lawyers. He said submission plus on record. Next week. After 2 weeks. ಪತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲ. Then you issue warrant. Issue warrant there. Last time ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Then you issue warrant these people. Date ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Third, on the third of the request for the government advocate for the accused 1 to 5, all the accused persons shall be present before this court. Either is a party. Then, the Undersecretary Government Revenue Department, Mujrai, filed the affidavit dated 6/12/2022 is placed on record. Adake amele. Idu irli record. If you are retired, you are not appearing, you have no business to file affidavit. ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ. Yes. 3rd December ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. 3rd January. And the government shall ensure presence of all the 1 to 5 on that day. Yes, Ramesh. Yes, Ramesh. ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Picked up in file state against the order. Direction number 14. ಅದೊಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. No, what is remain is only the action number 14. Contempt ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ sir. Remand first respondent. Input so quash matter is remanded the first respondent to reconsider the application made by the petitioner. Period of 3 months, date of certificate of disorder, and accounts rules, so and so. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನುಪಮ ಕೆ ಅನುಪಮ ಯಾರ four to the 18. ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 10/8/2018. ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಬೌಟ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ರಿಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 5/9/2017 ಆರ್ಡರ್ we are referring some of the Supreme Court judgment without year. Before filing contempt, why you are not intimated? ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ not intimated. Who appears correspondent? Stop. The agent contempt is filed by the complaint against the report declaration of for the contempt of act and will soon declare the article by the single judge dated 5th September 2017 made in WP 577779 up to 2014 wherein the Leonard single judge while disposing of the petition disposed of the petition with observations as under para 14 page 46 as under. Stop. The government advocate suggests that against the order passed by a single judge, comma, the Commissioner Directorate of Municipal Administration filed this appeal 18/20/2019. The judgment of this court on 4 September 2019 was disposing the appeal. Observe that we disapprove the view taken by Leonard Single Judge in paragraph 9 and 11 of the input judgment. However, directly issued, paragraph 14 of the input judgment would remain, but the case of first respondent shall be considered in the light of the law laid down by this court by the judgment. And further clarified that what we have held about the concerned decree between the first and third respondent applies only to issue of compliance appointment, and the observation made in this order shall not constitute as if this court has held that the remaining part of concerned decree is not lawful, and directed the appellant to give all the particulars about the amounts paid to third respondent on account of the service rendered by the deceased government employee. The information with all the details shall be provided by the appellant within a period of 1 month from the date on which copy is visited all over. This order will not prevent the first respondent for initiative proceedings for recover the amount from third respondent in accordance with the consent decree. To stop, the Leonard government of the case permits in so far the direction issued by Leonard Single paragraph 14 stated supra, comma, has been complied by the state in terms of the approved file. In terms of the approved dated 1/3/2019. As stated, on number para, page 72, as under mark model. Accordingly, annexure 1 R1 produced dated 4/4/2018. To stop. Near the above, you pass the following order. Contempt proceedings are there draft. Although needless to say, it is always open for the complaint to challenge the endorsement dated 4/4/2018 issued by the accused is so desires in accordance with law. Yes, Vardhan. Yes, sir. Right? Last time also same. Huh? Where the Supreme Court matter ಅದು ನಮಗ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Once frame the charge, sir. Where is he? In spite of the detailed order passed by this court dated 29/11/2022, directing the BDA commissioner present before this court and the exact of it and frame the charges. Sri Kodri. Madam Leonard Counsel for the accused filed application for exemption. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ submits that his presence is required before the Honorable Supreme Court. Therefore, he went to Supreme Court. Today, he went to Delhi. But but there is nothing in the application filed before this court. This is nothing but ignoring the orders passed there by the application filed for exemption has to be rejected. The commissioner shall be present before this court on Thursday. Submission made by the learned counsel for the BDA, nothing is spelled in the application. Thereby, the BDA, Commissioner BDA is just playing with the court. Thereby, the Commissioner had to present before the court to use the charge. Yes, Thursday. ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋದೊಂದು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡೋದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೇಳೋದೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಜನಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. You should have mentioned the date, number, SLP, everything. Ali, the BDA Commission shall produce 8 tickets for appearing before the Supreme Court. Kodi shall produce the material. He has to appear before the Supreme Court to VC. Inshallah sigutta kodi. Yav case ge eno ella kodi detail. And he shall be present before the court day after tomorrow. Yes. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್? ಹಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Sri Murthy, learned counsel for the accused, submits this matter is settled for 15 lakhs paid by whom? Accused to the wife. You are settled for 15 lakhs. You can't go back. ಇದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಾರ್, ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 15 lakhs submission plus on record. ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು? 13 ತಾರೀಕು. 13 ತಾರೀಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, Ross. ಏನು ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ? ಏನು where the accused persons 4 and 5. Learned HGB directed ensure presence accused number 1 to 3. Sri Rajendra Kumar Shanghai shall ensure presence accused 4 and 5 before this court. Very like that. Where is the accused number 1 to 3? Yes, we'll frame the charge. Yes, sir. For what? Last time you have not filed. Accused number 1 to 3 have not filed any counter. However, memo of complaints dated 29/11/22 along with statement account produced. 8 lakhs also has been produced. Leonard Court complaint submits. Job Leonard Single J 18/2018. Reliance plus so and so. Commute 1/3. Counsel beverage 6% per annum. Amount interest has not been complied. That is the complaint. Yes, what is the affidavit, sir? ಏನ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಜಿ ಅಡ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಡ್ಕ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಸ್ Yes, sir. Please read.
One grant period is there. Grant period. One grant period is there. So right, right number 7 and 8.
In the pursuance of the order passed by this court, dated 29/11/2022, all the accused persons are before this court. All the accused persons are before this court. And Madam Rashmi V. Mahesh, learned the Principal Secretary, Government Higher Education, Government of Karnataka, filed the affidavit, counter affidavit of the accused 1 and 2, along with the annexes R12, R5. Same is placed on the card. So the so and so learned counsel for the complaint 6 times to verify. The accused number 5, Anuradha, the registrar of Coimbatore University, Shankaragatta, Shumaga district, also filed the compliance affidavit along with the annexures R12, document 1 to 5. Same is placed on the card. Say so and so 6 times to verify. Yes, next week. All of after it. Presence of the accused persons is disposed for time being. Present applicant came to where the order was in the mat process for which he was present. Yes, ma. On the record, Leonard Counsel accused number 1 time was granted. Today, both the counsel for complaint submit that the matter has been implemented. I have disposed of what cost model. ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ವೈಶಾಲಿ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅಫೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳ ನೀನೇನು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ since this court already disposed of IA1 2021 the office without verifying IA1 dated 8/9/2022 verify again for this court unless wasting public time. ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಇಲ್ವ ಅವರು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಎಸ್ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ Yes, yes. Yes. Ah. Yes, ma. 1 lakh, 1 crore, 17 lakhs. ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ತಾಯಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ತಾಯಿ ಫೈನಲಿ 2 weeks time granted compared the order of the single judge failing which the accused shall present before this court for further orders. Will frame the charge I don't know. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಲಾಯರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನ್ ಬಾಯಿ ತೆಗಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೂರ್ಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ವೆಜ್ಜಾ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ಜಾ Madam, read the order passed by this court dated 20/10/2022. You are adjourning, madam. What is this, madam?
From July
You are
2022.
just playing the court. We'll send him jail. ಬಾಮೈದ ಬಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡು ನೀವು ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳುದು ನಾನು ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ you so many time you are requested. Yes ma, will send them jail. What to do? ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಕೊಡೋದು ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅವರ್ ಗುಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ ಕ್ಲವರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ admitted down no need enquiry we'll send them jail for dishonor check for dishonor
55 lakhs was dishonored.
madam go on defer till you will undergo the punishment 6 months. Sorry, ma. Let them come. We'll pay the charge. I'm sorry, you can't help it. Yeah, submission, Ray. You don't comply the order. What is submission? You have no locus to make submissions. Repeated, you are granted time. They're incorrigible fellows. We'll send them jail. Don't worry, they're happy you are going jail. They don't want money. You see. ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಡ ಜೈಲ್ ಕಳ್ಬೋದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ They will pay the charge, sir. Mama, Marakali. To pay the charge against him, this man. Bani. Bandi, Sabre. Vargada Bandi. You Madala Bani. Nim Dandam Dasham Maga Urgo Daga de la Bani. You just playing with us. Thursday. Day after tomorrow. Check ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರು 50 ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ
Tomorrow.
ಭಾರಿ ಹುಷಾರಿದೆ ನೀನು 10 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್. ಸೋ ಕ್ಲವರ್. ಇದಲ್ವಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜು 5 years. ನಮಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾವಿನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ next Tuesday. Check dishonored. Will pay the charge on that day. Kodu check kodu. In spite of the order passed by this court granting sufficient time to pay the installments of 3,42,000 by way of installments, the accused still due a sum of rupees 1,17 lakhs. Today, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನಮ್ಮ? ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಲಹರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು Deepika Joshi, learned counsel for the accused submits 1 week time may be granted. Today, the accused is tendering check for rupees. Check for rupees 25 lakhs. The bank ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 25 lakhs so and so, drawn on so and so in favor of the complainant. The same is placed on record. The counsel for the complaint is permitted to present the check by tomorrow.
Giving a blank check.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದಿರೋದು ನೀನು. Mr. Sandeep, madam, you will not tolerate type of people who just playing with us along with your clients. That will not happen, madam. Check number so and so, down on 25 lakhs in Taki. The complainant is permitted to present the check by tomorrow. For this matter, next Tuesday, if any case check is dishonored, this court has no option except to proceed to frame the charge as admittedly the order of Leonard Single Judge dated 8 October 2021, made in WP 18/4/22/2021, not complied yet fully. Call on Tuesday. Yes. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳೋರು? ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಬರಕ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ. ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ. ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ. Yes, sir. ಆ ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. And I had told to the counsel for the complaint ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Yes, ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ SP ಗಳೇ? ಬರ್ರಿ. ಓದಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಕ್ಕಲ್ರಿ? Okay. Yes, Mister. Close. Let him be happy at this stage.
No, my lord. They cannot get away. It's report. And any delegation can report. The judges of some report or their verdict. You cannot simply make some way delegation.
Now see the affidavit and the reformation by him. Addo judges of India, addo this court, uncanny apology ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಣರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಿಸಬಾರದು. Once shown white kerchief will pardon him. Let him at least live properly. What you become Vishasana? Your citizen, Mr. Agde, your citizen. You should not act like a mother. Don't worry, sir. In appropriate cases, we'll protect ourselves. Don't worry. Considering the age and his unconditional apology and address to the Honorable Chief Justice of India, now we are reformed. That's what we feel. Let him live properly. Mr. Rajana, don't repeat again. Nattu Batkot Kaliri. Mamaklal idara. Rajana, Mamaklal idara. Yaru ilva? Enti ilva? Yaru ilva ninge? You are unmarried. You are unmarried. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರೀ. ಒನ್ ಸೈಡೆಡ್. ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ. Marry. It happens, sir.
The institution of marriage sometimes
Organs, emotional organs, sir. ಎಂಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಗಾಚಾರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. We'll warn and we'll close. ಬಾಮ ರಾಜಣ್ಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಏನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಆಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇನ್ಯಾಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ? ಹೋಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನೋ ಬಡವರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈಚೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಲ್ರು ಮಣ್ಣಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮುಚ್ಚಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕಲ್ಲಾಕಲ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಸರ್. ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾತಿ ಮತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. Mama. The present sumo contempt filed inserted by this court. Application category. Fiction ಕೊಡಿ. The present sumo contempt filed by the Registrar General, High Court of Karnataka, to initiate criminal contempt against the accused. The MD Rajanna, under the provisions of Section 2C of the Contempt Court Act 1971, and punish him under the provisions of Section 12 of the Contempt Court Act for making allegations against the honorable judges of this court in the affidavit. Bill of 14, para 14. Para 14 only. As per in portions of the order passed by this court dated 29/11/2022, comma, the accused submits that by inadvertence the accused wrote a letters dated 14/2/2015 to the Honorable Chief Justice India and Honorable Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court, making allegations against the then honorable judges of this court. So accordingly, we want to withdraw the said letters and file unconditional apology. He knew the approved filed and then accused before the legal bench of this court, the writ appeals. So today, it was approved for separate kitak today, the PD Subramania, Leonard Counsel for the accused, filed the unconditional apology of the accused by way of affidavit, who is aged about 62 years, the senior citizen of the state, as under 3 to 7. The deponent. He also addressed to the letter to the Honorable Chief Justice India on 30/11/2022, withdrawing by way of affidavit, withdrawing his complaint dated 14/2/2015, which reads as under. He further produced the letter dated 30/11/2022 addressed to the Honorable Chief Justice High Court of Karnataka, withdrawal of his complaint dated 14/2/15, which reads as under. Though charges so this court framed the charges, recorded the plea, then is posted for reading. Posted matter of evidence at the stage. The present unconditional apologies by way of affidavit is filed and affidavit to the Honorable Chief of India and Honorable Karnataka High Court by way of affidavit also filed. Sir, taking into consideration the age of the accused and take into consideration the explanation 12(2) of the Contempt Court Act, which reads as under. We are satisfied that as on the date of the letters written by him on 14/2/2015 against the judges of then judges of this court, 8 years back, he might have sent by emotion. Now we have realized, and the approved file, unconditional approved file before this court, satisfied that is reformed, thereby an opportunity should be given to the accused from, instead of punishing with thousands of the thousands 12 of the Contempt Court Act. So thereby accepting the unconditioned apology along with the affidavits for filed to the affidavits filed the Honorable Chief Justice of India and the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. This court is satisfied the unconditional apologies has to be accepted, taking consideration age as today is the reformed person. And in the open court, when you have posed questions, he unconditionally apologizes in presence of all the lawyers before the court that he will not repeat such mistakes and he will live like a good citizen of this country and will serve the poor people. He said the oral statement made in the presence of the council and presence of the SPP. He is placed on the court, accepting the unconditional apology and the affidavits and oral submission made by the accused. He is accepted and contempt proceedings are hereby dropped. Charges framed against his are hereby discharged with a warning to the accused shall not repeat such mistakes, making allegations against honorable judges of this court in future till his death. According to the assistance rendered by learned SPP, agree, so is placed on the card. Appear to press on the card. Innೊಂದು ಸಲ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ನೆಟ್ಟು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿ. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ರು? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಆದ್ರಮ್ಮ. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಪ. You are not cross-examined. Oh. 1 minute, where's the order? ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ಓದ್ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕಾಗದ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಬಸವರಾಜ್? ನೀವು ಕಾಗದ ಮಾಡಿದ ಯಾವತ್ತು? ಇದೆ. ಅದರ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು you ask questions sir, ಅವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಯಾರವರು? ನಾನು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ here? The present complaint filed Original suit 26/5/16/17. Against whom? Against me and my brothers. One nimsha, sir. For what? For what? For declaration and permanent injunction. Yes. Suit came to dismiss on what date? To year 2011. All right. With pendants of the proceedings, we requested the court for appointment court commissioner.
Court commission was there and that is the
All right, what happened? Court commissioner report.
court came back and
What the reports are?
who the court commissioner was no release on the property, my property.
The commissioner report filed before the court stating that there is no buildings existing in the suitable property.
Yes.
Not marking necessary. We concentrate on violation of this court. Why you bother, sir? That is fact, then you can ask structures. Order is violation of the power of this court in the RFA. Astamata concentrate money. Then ಹೇಳ್ಸಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
No structures on the suit property.
On what date?
On the no, there are no suit, no property, no bidding on the property from
There were no structures. There were no structures. 1 minute, sir. There were no structures in the suitable property from the 1961.
The two IAs which asked for schedule, there was no mention of bidding.
In the application filed for temporary injunction before this court, in RFA 1/2019, there is no schedule mentioned with regard to existing of any property, any structure, any structures in the suitable property.
Those applications have been released.
Again, by part of the record, why you bother? Part of the record.
When they got the injunction order,
When?
wherein he had
Okay, please.
instruction of
Fine.
bidding of the property on that land.
When did the interim order granted by this court?
I don't remember exactly.
But you are aware,
It is in 2019.
no, you are aware this court granted the interim order.
There, we are aware, not to be,
I am aware that this court, by the order dated 24/1/19 in RFA 1/2019, granted the interim order. ಏನ್ ತರ interim order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Not to interfere with the portion of the, not to interfere with the portion of the complaint property in dispute of the complaints. All right.
that they were not supposed.
You are being restrained, not there. You are being restrained from disturbing the position of the appellant in the dispute of appeal. That is the order. It is true. 1 minute, sir. It is true. The interim order granted by this court on 24th January 2019 in RFA 1/2019 restrained us from disturbing the position of the complainant stroke appellants till the dispose of present appeal, to dispose of the appeal in RFA 1/2019.
No.
I have not violated the interim order passed by this court.
It's not true.
It is not to suggest that after interim order passed by this court, I have demolished structures in social property.
It's not present.
The electricity bill produced by the complainant not pertain to property in this court.
I is not related to.
All right. The photograph produced by the complainant does not relate to suitable property. Which judge? You have filed application. What is the application filed? What is the application filed? What for?
Find out how insertion of.
You can't ask for insertion. What is the application, sir?
No, application.
What is the application? What is your IA number?
IA1 and IA2.
I have filed IA number 1 and 2 before learned single judge. For what?
Saying that there was only land of the firm.
For clarification. What happened that IA?
Clarification.
All right, what happened that IA?
The court got a written.
Sir, whatever application was allowed or rejected?
Application was, there was an inquiry better.
No inquiry application, only clarification. Inquiry. No, sir.
They are calling court officers and.
Court office not inquiry officer. What happened application result? Rejected or allowed?
Result is at the moment saying that both clerks have stated to well by the Queen.
Sir, what is the application allowed or rejected?
It was allowed.
He said the application is allowed. All right, you have produced that order.
Yes.
When did they allow the applications? One minute, Sundar. I do not remember the date of the application allowed, but I produced the said order before this court.
No, sir.
I have not violated the interim order granted by this court dated 24th January 2019 in RFA 1/2019 passed by a single judge. I pray dismissal of the dropping of the proceedings. All right, all right, all right. I sought dropping of proceedings again. Yes. Yes. Huh? Oh, mother. Oh, mother.
And Narayan.
This is attempt number 2. Past examination by Kiran Kumar, learned HGP, on behalf of the complainant. Mark ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? All right. All right. Okay. It is true. The interim order granted by this court on 24th January 2019 in RFA 1/2019. Other schedule is Andre. Please answer. Order not IA. In the order there is a schedule. Mr. Mr. Narayan, don't go up. You can have in that kel madal disturb you. You can have Mugatala, please come. Our head the answer my. The interim order passed by this court on 24th January 2019 contains schedule east, west, north, south boundary. What do you say? Schedule is it contains schedule more fully described in the interim order. Yes. That is subject matter of the appeal. Alright, that is subject matter of the appeal and the original source. Sorry. All right. Mallikarjun, you ಮಾತಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You are not in the picture. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. You can't dictate, sir. You maintain some discipline, for please. You ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. You have no business to interfere. Once you out. This Sante Allah sir, so to maintain discipline. Once you appointed, you will take care. A photo could be given the child risako. All right, it is true. Annexure E, dated photograph Annexure E, dated 26/1/19. I was sitting along with that. The other photos. The other photos E1, E2, E3, E4. I have no idea whether they pertain to shoot property or not. Annexure E nalli idare nodri ondu nintidaರೆ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು Annexure E4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ E4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Annexure E4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ ವೈಫ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಆ ಫೋಟೋ ನಿಮ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ ವೈಫ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವಂತೂ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಯು ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ Annexure E4 photograph Annexure E4 dated 25/1/19. Yes. It is not to suggest that sir, it is not to suggest that there is a house existing as on the date of the interim order passed by this court. Are not demolished. Yeah, house illa andre elli barutte. I have not demolished the house as suggested by as suggested. Yes. Mr. I am not aware the police complaint made by Siddhappa on 26/1/19, but a large complaint against the complainant long back. It is called suggest that there is a house existing in the schedule fully mentioned by this court in terms of interim order dated 24 January 2019, made in the RFP 1/2019. If there is no difficulty to produce the photographs of property as on today. I have already produced the entire order sheet before this, entire order sheet, the RFA 120 before this court, and there is no difficulty. It is false for us that I have not produced any order sheet in RFA 27 to 127 to 19. It is false suggest that I am deposing falsely before this court to escape from the contempt. Yes. All right. That's where the accused number 1. Allow them evidence ilva. You want to ask them accused number 1? Under the accused number 1 also. We don't want to proceed any examination in accused number 1. It is false for us that as of the date of the demolition, Ramakrishna, accused number 1, accused number 3 was along with me on the spot. Yes. Learned counsel for the accused filed application for exemption of accused number 1 to enable appeal before his court. Why? Is in Calcutta, at the burial line, and is in Calcutta. The parents of the accused today is exempted. Accused money exempted. Evidence of the accused number 1 is pending next week. Mundarvara madilla call maadbiಡ್ತೀವಿ. Report the matter for arguments. All right, next week. Yes. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಈ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರೀಬಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಯಾರ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು. ಎಸ್ ಕಿರಣ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್. All right, after vacation, I request for the case number 1. Yes. Request of the counsel for the complaint adjourned 1 week. Yes, Govind Raju. Accused shall be make necessary arrangement for his present representation for the court on the next date of hearing. Yes. Sorry. Yes, Mr. When the case was appealed and neither the accused nor counsel are present, the counsel complaint are present, matter was passed over. Again, when the matter called in the first sense, 422, the learner counsel complaint is present. So the Mukesh Lanka paper submit argument is not well. 6 1 week time. Finally, 1 week time is granted. Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Counsel for the accused. ನಾವು ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. SMD ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Sir, appearing, my lords, appearing for complaint, my lords.
Yes, sir.
51.
49, sir.
Apology.
49. Arvind Kumar. KG Kumar.
You proceed, sir. We can't go and get him. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಬೈದಿಂದ ಬರ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. We should present. That's what the violation. We'll issue warrant again. We'll elect this man again. Where the amount deposited, sir? When the charge? Charge ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕಿದೆ?
ಚೀಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. What do you mean by that? ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ನಮ್ಗ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ? ತಲೆ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡಿ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಲೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಮೆಮೋ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಕಾಣ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಅಪೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? Srinivas. Appeared for the accused submits that arguing counsel is online, but nobody is available in the online. For cross-examination of suitable one, finally 1 week time is granted. The complainant shall present before court next day of hearing. ಏನದು ಭಾಷೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಭಾಷೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
15ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು
15 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? You maintain your attitude, mister. Don't act like accused. You're a counsel. You should act like a counsel. Don't please the accused. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್. ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಯರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀನು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ತರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್. He is the accused. You are a learned member of the bar. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Yes, Vikram.
50.
Arguments, Vikram. Yes. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವ್ ಹಿಂಗ ಅಂತೀರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಗೊಂಬೆ ನೋಡು ಗೊಂಬೆ ನೋಡು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್? ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ appeared and asked the court to see the online. We are verifying, but nobody is appeared. Next week. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೋಡು ಗೋವಾ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡು ದವಾ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನೋಡೋರು? ನಾವು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್, ಅವರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್. ಸಾಗರ್.
My lords, appearing for complaint, my lords. My lords, in the
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
my lords, in the RFA 261/18, the Honorable Court has passed interim order, my lords.
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬೇಡ. ಅದೊಂದು learned counsel for the complaint is appeared on the online is just blinking and making silence. Adjourn next week. Yes, Karim. Just silent spectator on the online. What to do? Yes, Batra.
Milords, I appear for accused here. Both the parties, the complainant and accused, are arrived at settlement from the compensation amount receivable for accused, Milords.
Learned counsel for the accused submits that there is a possibility of settlement between the accused and the complainant. Submission plus on record next week finally.
Grateful, Milords.
Yes, Ravi. Accused is present. Shall present because next date appearing. Ravi. At the request of the complaint, next week. Yes, Chidanandaya, come on. Arguments. Yes. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಏನೋ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ನೀವೇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬೇಡ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಅದು ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಜನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ yes read it yes The undertaking dated 4/4/19, 11/4/19 to complete the entire civil work constructions. Yes, sir.
Of the aspect given as per the undertaking. More than 300 cases. Getting is an undertaking. And the only difference is the power of and it is not particularly impact those that get financial difficulties to solve it. And it was elicited at the time of law examination that the complainant has given not even give the difficulty of financial difficulties to solve. Complainant giving 18 crores of losses of that. With maximum sentencing provided in the law. So this is an abuse. It can the court for away.
Yes. 4/4/19, 11/4/19. And that order for nursing is a rich penalty. Cannot file an appeal. Yes, yes, sir. You are undertaking. Yes. Yes. Sir, based on your undertakings, the judge passed the order. Not prior to, only on basis of the undertaking, the judge passed the order. Correct. Therefore, you have to comply the order.
The vice president is that on 20 February 2020, when the citizen passes the order, the order of the authority portion of the order is so that reason my submission that is 4/4/2019 and 11/4/2019. What about for the
Once based on your undertaking, the court passed the order, it is not available. Wonderful argument. Mr. Hassan, Mr. Hassan, you are a counsel, you should be fair. Don't argue like a client. You are fair to the court. If such type of arguments only will enhance punishment, that's all. Oh, your duty, all right, please enjoy. Therefore, there is no violation. Correct. Ah. Mr. Hassan, don't forget not only undertaking, the other judge also passed the order, directions to you.
But all that, the short form, so called as permitted matter. Or passes. That is one part that is not available for the.
All
Option number 3 for context of court.
All.
That is one side.
The innocent man is a law-abiding citizen, never violated.
Violation is there. Notice is there. Yes, explain this position. The undertaking also. What is it?
No, you are not disputing or undertaking and violation, but you are only say you want time. All right.
One point.
There is no willful disobedience, but he won't do job. He won't comply the order.
In the point you are.
That is not available for you. Once charges framed, everything done, you are not challenged the order for this court, framing charges. All right. That's it. All right. Hey, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಂಡ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 5 ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ yes all admitting we are admitting the force circumstances for disobey the order.
But I am circumstances.
Violation only circumstances to disobey the order. Yes sir. All right. Third, learned counsel both the parties finally reserve for judgment. Yes. Result. Hurry. Yes, Anil Kumar. Patil. Referred by whom? Accused. Yes, sir. Arguments. Final hearing. Really, sir. Where is the respondent? Accused. Complainant. Complaint only. None appears for the complaint. Adjourned. Tomorrow 2:30. Yes, carry the order, sir. Yes, Subramanya. Has complied. Colonel Kosupa accused filed the complaints affidavit. Say Subramanya, after verifying, pointed out still six persons not complied. In the first 6 persons, the order passed with the court, judgment is not complied. Submission plus on account. Next week. Yes, Sumana Baliga. Case called twice. None appears for the appellant. None appears for complaint. Case called, none appears twice. Both morning session and post session. For this matter on Tuesday for dismissal. Yes, Sadashivaya. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ What is the order, sir? Tuesday, Thursday. Yes, Uday Prakash. On a Thursday for compliance. Yes, Mr. Basalaju. Kodi. Case called twice, none appears for the complaint. None government and case submits that the complaint given undertaking that they will not precipitate for it. That complaint will not precipitate before the all right. Now precipitate matter in the contempt or sometimes submission plus on the call up to the question. Yes, Shuram, but what happened? ನೋಡಿದ್ರನ್ರಿ the present contempt petition came to file by the complaint against the accused to take the punishment on the part of initiate contempt against the accused for the willful disobedience of the order dated 4/4/2018 passed in RFA 668/15. What is that order? Directing. Directing on the submission made by counsel for the respondent that is the client, the accused will undertake not to alienate or create fresh encouragement in respect of suit property until disposal of suit. Further submits with reference to the encumbrances already created, that is suit property. He would renewing the mortgage but not by taking any fresh loan. To stop. Today, after arguments, the learned counsel for the accused filed the affidavit of undertaking before this court. Chandrasekhar Gatti, the accused filed the affidavit before this court that say that as under paragraph 2, 3, 4, and 5 up to 5. First up, Sri Shriram Bhatt, learned counsel for the complaint submits that if the amount of 13,67,000 is not deposited before this court in RFA 668 within 15 days from the date of the from today, liberty may be reserved to the complainant to file revival application. The said submission placed on record. First up, in of the above, we pass the following order. Placing and taking of affidavit stated supra, the contempt proceedings are were dropped and directed the accused to deposit the sale consideration of rupees 13,60,000 sold in violation, sold 15 guntas of 15 guntas, 15 cents in Survey 390/1, Pujiru village, Bandwal Taluk on 27/8/2018. Within a period of 15 days from today, in the RFA 668/15 pending between the parties, failing which it is needless to observe, it is always open for the complainant to file a revival application according to the present contempt disposal.
It's been mentioned as 15 acres.
Yes. Yes, yes. No. No.
Okay.